Hi guys, welcome to the short video about what could be the problem if you cannot make a fade in or fade out on Cyberlink PowerDirector. So usually it can be done by just double clicking on the track, and we click on fade, and then we can decide if to use fade in or fade out or both. So usually it's really pretty easy, and click OK and then you have it. But sometimes let's say I drag a picture here and click on overwrite, and after that I say okay, here's the picture. It doesn't look too good if I have the picture and then I have the video instantly, so it would be nice to have like a fade out here and fade in here. So when I double click here on the picture, I can make fade out, fade in, fade out, fade in, fade out easily. But now with the video it's not possible. When I double click, I can click as long as I want. It's not doing anything. So what to do? So the solution seems to be pretty easy at the moment. You think, okay, we just split it and then we have this blue, we have the vertical split, and it should be possible, and we double click, but it's still not working because there's still some kind of connection between this video and this audio track. So we have to right click here and click on link, unlink video and audio. Now when I double click, I can do the fade in, fade out, or whatever I want to do. I cancel that because I don't need that at the moment, but this is, yeah, it did it anyway, so probably I hit the wrong button, but this is how this works. Yeah, so after that, of course, you can click on this one, shift, and then click on this one, and then you can link relink video and audio again, so that makes it a little bit easier to cut again at the end. So that's it for now. I hope I was able to help you a little bit with that. If you have any questions or comments, just write to the comment section below, and I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.